Now we will learn about units and dimensions. All physical quantities are measured in terms of basic quantity known as units. There are seven fundamental physical quantities and their units. They are mass, length, time, temperature, light intensity, current intensity, and amount of substance. Their units are kilogram, meter, second, Kelvin, candela, ampere, and mole, respectively. Dimension of physical quantity is the power to which the quantity is raised. The unit of fundamental quantities are known as fundamental units. Derived physical quantities have units which are called derived units. We are shown here there is a table which gives the fundamental physical quantities and their units and dimensions. So for mass it is kilogram is the unit, and M1 L0 T0 is the dimension. Here M, L and T correspond to mass, length and time. Similarly for length, it is the dimension is, unit is meter and its dimension is M0 L1 T1 T0 sorry M0 L1 T0. And for time it is unit is second and its dimension is M0 L0 T1. For temperature, the unit is Kelvin and its dimension is theta 1 M0 L0 T0. Light intensity has the unit of candela and its dimension is J1 M0 L0 T0. Current intensity has a unit of ampere and its dimension is I1 M0 L0 T0. Amount of substance is mole. Amount of a substance is mole and its dimension is N1 M0 L0 T0. Some more derived physical quantities are so far we have learned about fundamental physical quantities and their units. Now I will give you some derived physical quantities and their units. The first derived physical quantity is area, which is having the formula length into height, and its unit is meter square. Dimension is therefore M0 L square T0. And volume is length, breadth and height. Length, that is LBH, say. This unit is M cube and its dimension is M0 L0 T to the power M0 L cube T to the power 0. Density is mass per volume. Unit is kilogram per meter cube. Dimension is M1 L0 M1 L cube T0. M1 L cube T0. Force is mass into acceleration and unit is kilogram meter per second square. Dimension is ml square T to the power minus 2. Pressure is force per unit area. Its dimension is kilogram meter per second square. And its dimension is M1 L cube. I read it correctly, I don't know. M1 L cube. What is it?
M1 L minus 1 T
M1 L1 T to the power minus 3. 2 T to the power minus 2. So we have learnt so many derived physical quantities and their dimensions. You will find out the dimension of physical quantity which I am going to give give you the name as surface tension, viscosity,